Hey, this is Sharon from Cold Creek Nurseries, and I wanted to show you this gorgeous plant, and you're looking at it probably going, I don't know what that is. This is actually a pyracantha. It's called Silver Lining. You can see that it's variegated. It only gets about 3 feet high. It can get 5 feet wide. You also can keep it, you can have it as a hedge. I think it would look great on the corner of a garden bed, corner of your house. Really cool thing about it is when you think about pyracantha, you know you're going to get stuck. This one is thornless, so no stickies. It's also all budded up right here with blossoms. It's going to bloom white. And then can you picture this with those beautiful red-orange berries on it in the fall? So I think this is a great addition to anybody's garden. It will take full sun. Leaves will not burn even though they are variegated. So come on down and get one from me today.